So we're trying out a new amendment to carry us into the fall season, and that's with azomite. So in this video, we're going to show you how to use rock dust for your garden, and we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube Gardener? This your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. Hopefully after watching this video you'll learn the benefits of using rock dust for your garden. Now if you like these types of videos, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel and you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upload. So as y'all know, we are very fond of what goes in our growing medium, and we learned about azomite because it's a natural mineral substance and that you can use as a fertilizer or a soil amendment. And the good thing about this azomite is that it has a lot of minerals and a lot of trace elements that helps benefit for our raised beds. Now there's 5 types of sizes that you can get with azomite. You have your ultra fine, and then you have your micronized, what we have, and then you have your field grade, your pelletized, and your granulated. Now depending on what size that you have, it's not readily available. So with the granulated, it's going to take a lot longer to break down compared to the ultra fine, where it's going to break down a lot faster. So with that being said, either one you want to apply at least twice a year, one in the springtime and one in the fall time. Now what azomite stands for is A to Z of minerals, including trace elements. So the good thing about azomite, since it's all organic, you want to do anywhere from about half a pound to a pound per 10 square foot. So what we're going to do is, we have this scale, we're going to zero out with this container already on there, put it on the into the scale till it gets about, let's say with a pound. I'm going to put a mask on because it is very dusty in there, and you want to prevent any kind of dust inhaling in it, because even though it is organic, you don't want to have it in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this little bench-made knife that we got from Patrick from MTK Knives, and we're going to open it up and pour it into there. Alright, so before we add the azomite, we got to clear out this whole bed of everything that we're just not producing and getting ready for the fall. So me and Mrs. Naked Gardener, we're just going to clear out this, and definitely with the passion flower.
So what is the biggest mistake that you've ever made planting in your garden? Comment down below.
Alright, so we just already measured how much of the azomite we need. 1 pound per 10 square foot. For this section of the bed, it's about 5 by 3, so that's 15 square foot. So we're just going to use about a pound for this small area. Luckily that this is organic, so you can use as little or as much. It doesn't matter. You're not going to burn any types of roots. We still even have about a month left before we transplant, so we're good to go. So all we're going to do is we're just going to sprinkle this in and then call it a day, and then we're going to do the rest of these beds as we pull them up. Alright, so you see we just dug in about like 2 to 3 inches of the azomite into here. We're going to do the rest of these beds. If you're interested in seeing how we do other DIY projects in the garden, we'll put a link above here so that way you can follow along. And till the next video, let's grow together.